Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and password. You'll need them immediately. Once done, make sure important data is backed up to iCloud or another device so nothing is lost. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap your name. On Mac, open System Settings and click Apple ID. Now proceed to the Account section and locate the Sign Out option. This initiates the Sign Out flow, and the device prepares to remove iCloud data. You will be asked which iCloud data you want to keep on the device. Choose carefully because this affects contacts, calendars, and photos. Next, enter your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock and confirm the sign out. This step protects your device from unauthorized reactivation. Then wait while the device removes iCloud data and stops syncing. If you have multiple devices, make sure you sign out on each one, or your account remains linked to those devices. After the process completes, confirm sign out by checking Settings or System Settings. Your name should no longer appear. If you're signing out to sell or hand off the device, erase it only after sign out finishes so activation lock won't block the next owner. If something goes wrong, like password rejection or activation lock persists, try signing in at iCloud. To remove the device or use account recovery. If that fails, contact Apple support for identity verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.